Hi, my name is Stefan Graff-Lonnevig, the founder of the Live Stuff app. Today we're going to take a slightly different route in the presentation. Today we're going to skip the usual productivity tips and instead do a technical deep dive into the AI capabilities that we're building right now and planning on releasing for the next version of Live Stuff. So for those of you that are interested in tech or in cutting-edge AI and how that supports productivity, hopefully this technical walkthrough can shed some light on the data processes surrounding the app and making the app so unique. So whether you're a developer or just curious on tech or on the future of productivity apps, hopefully this will be both useful, informative, and interesting. So let's get started.
What we're seeing here is the development environment of Live Stuff, where I'm basically testing these AI models out. So I'll start by asking what's next on my calendar today. So it will look at that and return that I have a virtual meeting with my son's school at 5:30, which is correct. Next, I will try to change a deadline for a specific priority that I have. I want to push that deadline back to next week instead. So it returns that it has done that and placed a deadline for June 5th, which is next week. So good job. Next, I will try to figure out how context aware the models are. So I'll say that I'm out buying some stuff, and is there anything else that I could do while I'm out? So the model returns that, yeah, you have an action to pick up some paint supplies at the hardware store, which is actually an action that I have on my list. So good job. Next, I will just create a simple reminder. I will ask the models to create a reminder for me for picking up the kids at soccer practice today. And it will return that it has created this reminder for me, but I'll double check that by writing what are my actions for today. And then I can see the newly created reminder of picking up the kids, but also the option of picking up things at the hardware store. Next, I will switch focus now to focus on planning. So I will say that I'm planning a renovation of my carport and I need some help in planning that for the summer. So the models switch now to coaching mode instead and starting asking me about my intention. What's the purpose behind this? So I'll go ahead and just give it more context around that. The wooden panels are unfortunately beyond repair, and I just need to replace them. This specific model is designed to follow the natural planning model of the Getting Things Done methodology. So we'll go from purpose, intention, down to where it's now on outcome. What are you hoping to achieve with this specific project? So I'll give it some context around that I want to change my panels to something that lasts. And given the intention and the outcome, the model will be more specific towards the high level actions. So what are the larger chunks of actions that I can see myself do? So I'll go ahead and give it some context around that. And after I'm done specifying the high level actions, such as my budget, I need to find the right materials to settle on a timeline or measure the carport. I just want to confirm that it has understood the high level actions correctly, and I say, yeah, sounds like a good plan. And when it's comfortable with the high level actions, it will go down to this next action level. What is the next action for me given all the moving parts for this project? So I'll go ahead and say that I need to talk to my spouse about the budget, the timeline, and that I could do the measurements this weekend at home. And when that's done, it will basically, I will just confirm this and it will present a summary for me. So I think that wraps it up. We're really pushing the technology here so it can support you through so many different situations, and we're very eager to get this implemented in the 2.0 release of Live Stuff. So again, thank you for watching.